Hello everyone, this is Mamta Moon and today we will learn and solve self-practice exercise questions 1 to 5, self-practice 2D of chapter, second chapter. Chapter name is Fractions and Decimals of class 7th of New Learning Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we learn today? Today we learn and solve self-practice exercise questions 1 to 3, self-practice 2D of chapter second chapter. Chapter name is fractions and decimals and topic is reciprocals of fractions. Let's solve some questions. Now we solve question number 1. Question number 1 is find the reciprocal of first bit A is 1 divided by 3. We have given the fraction and we have to find the reciprocal of that fraction. We know reciprocal of a fraction is dividing the fraction by 1. 1 divided by that fraction. We have to 1 divided by that fraction is 1 multiplied with the reciprocal of that fraction. So here reciprocal of 1 divided by 3 is 1 division of 1 divided by 3. We have to remove this, we have to change this division symbol with multiplication symbol. Then we have to find the reciprocal of that of the fraction 1 divided by 3. Multiply 1 multiplied with reciprocal of 1 divided by 3. Reciprocal of 1 divided by 3 is 1 multiplied with 3 divided by 1. That is inverse. We have to inverse this fraction 1 divided by 3. That is 1 divided by 1 divided by 3. That is 1 multiplied with 3 divided by 1. That is 3. 1 multiplied with 3 divided by 1 is 3. So reciprocal of 1 divided by 3 is 3. Now second bit B, 7 divided by 8. Reciprocal of 7 divided by 8 is 1. We have to divide with 1. 1 division of 7 divided by 8. 1 multiplied with reciprocal of 7 divided by 8. Reciprocal of 7 divided by 8 is 1 multiplied with 8 divided by 7. That is 8 divided by 7. So reciprocal of 1 divided by 3 is 3. That is inverse of the fraction 1 divided by 3. And reciprocal of 7 divided by 8 is inverse of 7 divided by 8. That is 8 divided by 7. That is numerator changed to denominator and denominator changed to numerator. That is reverse of the fraction. Now we solve question number third bit C. 2 divided by 3. We have given the mixed fraction and we have to find the reciprocal of this mixed fraction. First we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Just multiply the denominator with whole, then the result added to the numerator divided by the denominator, that is the improper fraction. So multiply 3 with 2, denominator 3 with 2 plus numerator 2. 3 multiplied with 2 plus 2 is 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 divided by denominator is 3. 8 divided by 3. So we have to find the reciprocal of 8 divided by 3. That is 1 division of this mixed fraction 2 divided by 3. That is 1 division of 8 divided by 3. Now change this division symbol into multiplication symbol. We have to multiply with the reciprocal of the fraction 8 divided by 3. That is 1 multiplied with reciprocal of 8 divided by 3 is 3 divided by 8. That is just change the numerator into denominator and denominator to numerator. That is reverse the fraction. 1 multiplied with, here denominator is 3, that is changed to the numerator, that is 3 divided by, and numerator is 8. So change the numerator to denominator, that is 3 divided by 8. Now we get 1 multiplied with 3 divided by 8, that is 3 divided by 8. So reciprocal of 2 divided by 3 is 3 divided by 8. Now D, 5. Reciprocal of 5 is just divide this fraction with 1. So reciprocal of 5 is 1 divided by 5, that is 1 divided by 5. 1 division of 5 is 1 divided by 5. We can write 5 is 5 divided by 1. So reciprocal of 5 divided by 1 is just intercept the numerator and denominator, that is denominator change to numerator and numerator change to denominator. So 5 divided by 1 is 1 divided by 5. So reciprocal of 2 divided by 3 is 3 divided by 8, and reciprocal of 5 is 1 divided by 5. Now we solve question number 2. Question number 2 is by taking following example so that the product of a number and its reciprocal is always 1. First bit A is 25 divided by 37. First we have to find the reciprocal of this fraction. We know reciprocal of a fraction is divide the fraction by 1. 1 division of 25 divided by 37. So multiply 1 multiplied with reciprocal of this fraction 25 divided by 37 is just reverse this fraction, that is numerator change to denominator and denominator change to numerator. So 1 multiplied with 37 divided by 25. 1 multiplied with 37 divided by 25 is 37 divided by 25. Now we have to show the product of a number and its reciprocal is always 1. So multiply product of the number 25 divided by 37, product of this fraction 25 divided by 37 with the reciprocal of 25 divided by 37, that is 37 divided by 25. So product of a number and its reciprocal is 25 divided by 37 multiplied with 37 divided by 25. We cancel 25 and 25, 37 with 37 we get 1. So product of a number and its reciprocal is always 1. So this is true. So reciprocal of 25 divided by 37, product of 25 divided by 37 and reciprocal of 25 divided by 37 is 1. So product of a fraction and its reciprocal is always 1. Now we solve question number second bit B. 5 1 divided by 9. We have to find the reciprocal of this fraction, mixed fraction 5 1 divided by 9, and we have to show the product of this fraction and its reciprocal is always 1. First we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Just multiply the denominator with whole, then add this product with the numerator divided by denominator. So multiply denominator 9 with whole 5 plus 1. 9 multiplied with 5 is 45. 45 plus 1 is 46 divided by denominator 9. Now reciprocal of 5 1 divided by 9 is reciprocal of 46 divided by 9. That is 1 division of 46 divided by 9. 1 division, reciprocal of 5 1 divided by 9 is 1 division of 5 1 divided by 9, that is 1 division of 46 divided by 9. 46 divided by 9 is an improper fraction. Now we have to change this division symbol into multiplication symbol. Just multiply with the reciprocal of this fraction 46 divided by 9, that is 1 multiplied with reciprocal of 46 divided by 9 is 1 multiplied with 9 divided by 46. Just interchange this, reverse this numerator and denominator, that is numerator change to denominator and denominator change to numerator. So 46 divided by 9 is 9 divided by 46. Now we get 1 multiplied with 9 divided by 46, that is 9 divided by 46. Is multiplied a fraction with 1, we get that fraction. Now we have to show the product of a number and its reciprocal is always 1. So product of this fraction 5 1 divided by 9 with its reciprocal is, product of this fraction is 9 divided by 46. 9 divided by 46. Reciprocal of 5 1 divided by 9 is 9 divided by 46, and this fraction is 46 divided by 9. We cancel this 9 and 9, and 46 with 46 we get 1. So product of a number and its reciprocal is always 1. So product of 5 1 divided by 9 and its reciprocal 5 1 divided by 9 is 1. So product of a fraction and its reciprocal is always 1. Now we solve question number 3. Question number 3 is think and answer. If in defining the reciprocal of A divided by B, we have imposed the condition A not equal to 0, B not equal to 0. Why? Give reasons. Suppose A equal to 0 and B is 2. B is any number, then reciprocal of A divided by B will be reciprocal of A divided by B is 0 divided by 2. Reciprocal of 0 divided by 2 is 0. Suppose B is 0 and A is 2. A is any number. Then A divided by B is 2 divided by 0. 2 divided by 0 is undefined, that is not defined. Then reciprocal of A divided by B will be reciprocal of undefined, that is 1 division of undefined, that is 0. 1 divided by undefined is 0. So when we take A and B 0, then the reciprocal of A divided by B is 0. So AB should be natural number, not a whole number. So AB never be 0. Either A is 0 or B is 0. Then the reciprocal of the fraction A divided by B will be 0. So A and B never be 0. A and B should be natural number, not a whole number. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.